All right, in part two in collecting on your assignments, I need you to install Maven on your machine. And I'm gonna go here and Google download Maven. Okay, it'll be here. And you're looking for this file right here. Click here to grab the zip version here. I already downloaded my machine. On my machine, it came down here to my downloads folder, and it's right here. I will copy this folder to my area here. What did I call this? Spring 2021 developer. And I will paste it here. Give it a few seconds. Click here just to make sure you have this format here where it's, your root directory, and then you can get here to the Maven directory. In here, there's an MVN file. So make sure you see that. That's the file we're trying to get to eventually. If I'm going to go to my CMD, and the way you know Maven works is that if you run it from the command line, you'll get something. Notice I have nothing here. The reason I have nothing here right now, it's not in my path. If I go to Explorer and back to that directory, Spring 2000 developer, and let me go here to the Maven directory, and I do CMD, then I'll do a dir. If you're on Linux, it'd be an ls. There goes the mvn command, and if I type in mvn, you can see that it is working. Okay, and I get something like that. But see, this one is working because I'm exactly in the same directory that it's located in. But what happens if I need to run this from somewhere else? I'm going to exit this so I can run this from anywhere. That's my goal. I want to be able to run that command from anywhere. So this is where the environment variables comes into play again. I'm going to go here and type in environment, and this screen came up for me. Hold on, let me close this. Let me do this one more time because I think it skipped a screen. I'm going to type in environment again. Click here, and this main screen comes up first. I then click here on environment here. Let's create a new environment variable, Maven underscore home. Notice it's all caps. I will browse that directory that I just installed, C drive. This was in my Spring 2021 developer, Maven, and you stop right here. Don't go to the bin folder. It's just a standard that I've seen being done within this community. Okay, you get here and hit OK. You have this Maven home folder, Maven home environment variable. We'll now go to the path, say edit path, and say new, and then say %, Maven underscore home. And since I needed to go to the bin folder, I'm going to type in bin. Make sure if you're on Linux, this is case sensitive, so I just prefer to be careful and just keep it at the same case. So Maven home is uppercase and bin is in lowercase. Hit OK, hit OK. Now remember, for you to see the changes, you have to go to a new terminal. Let me close this. I'll type in CMD, and now from everywhere, I should be able to run the Maven command. So what now? I'm going to go to the root directory, and if I type in mvn and version, notice it works because I've installed when I installed Maven, and now it's in the path that everybody can see it. All right, with that, good luck and good coding.